there's going to be a PDF document. I've opened it up here because I only realized after the fact that it is quite small when you're looking at it on your phone. So, welcome to the ultimate online treasure hunt. Get ready to embark on an exciting adventure where your keen eyes and sharp mind will be put to the test. Your mission, should you accept to choose it, is to identify 3 unique items hidden within our virtual world. 1 is a purple cow. This elusive creature is hiding somewhere in plain sight. Can you spot it? 2, the keyword next to the Holobuilder banner. Pay close attention to the details around the Holobuilder banner. The keyword you find is crucial to your quest. And 3, the name of the sail ship. Somewhere in our virtual seas, a sail ship awaits. Discover its name to complete your journey. The rules of engagement are: you're going to navigate yourself through the virtual space on Holobuilder. There are blue buttons. Those blue buttons are going to be a way for you to walk through the space virtually. Remember, it is a 360-degree environment, so you are encouraged to look around. The first person who identifies the location of the purple cow, the keyword next to the Holobuilder banner, and the name of the sail ship wins the prize. And Lee's going to be our adjudicator because I don't want to be blamed for anything. Good luck and happy hunting. Okay, guys. I just think for the sake of time, let's award our winner, Callan. Thank you kindly. But before we do prizes, there's a specific reason why I wanted you guys to do this quiz. What is your feedback? What is your response from using the Holobuilder software on your phone without any training? Good, bad, easy, user-friendly, easy? Can you guys see the benefits of using this on site? So that photo was taken a week ago at my offices, which are in Rivonia. But now you've had the ability on your cell phone to immersively walk through my offices in a virtual space and start looking at things that you've been told. The office said, listen, go find the purple cow. You guys have been able to do that. You get what I'm saying? You know, we've had the ability to attach PDF documents to the 3D space. We've had the ability to attach 2D information as the photos you've seen with the cow and the sail ship. All right. So I really wanted you guys to have an immersive experience so you can understand what it is to use the software. Okay. Can we have a round of applause for Callan over here? Don't be shy. Oh, great. Thank you very much. I think that's going to conclude today, if I'm not mistaken. Is there any other questions you guys might have to ask the team while we're on stage? Otherwise, we'll just close up the event, go outside, mingle.